Okay guys, so last time we have used this servo tester to power or control our motor over here. This is the brushless motor BLDC. But this time actually we are going to use this ESP32 to control our brushless motor over here. Now to do that, we still gonna use our battery, LiPo battery. It's 4000 mAh, and then it is a 3S and 30C discharge. And then I still have this 30A ECS. And then I have added this time some wires, okay? And then a piece of ground, as you can see. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this one, okay? So this one we're gonna connect with this yellow jumper wire, as you can see over here. So this is for our PWM signal, okay? This is the first one. Now this one we are going to connect with our ESP. Now I'm going to connect with ESP-RX2, this pin over here. So this can work with PWM so that it can receive signals, okay? So RX2, okay. And then over here, you will see that I'm gonna take another jumper wire, this one. Now this jumper wire, actually I'm gonna take this one. And this jumper wire, I'm going to connect with the GND of our ESP32, as you can see over here, GND ESP32. And then I'm going to connect this with this ground or negative rail over here, this one. And then after that, over here, we are going to take this one and we are going to connect to this GND one more time over here, this one. And now this GND is going to go to the GND of this one over here. Remember, our 30A ECS also has a GND, which is the black one. So I'm going to connect this. So now with this, all the ground, they're all together, as you can see. All the ground are all together, okay? So make sure that your wire is connected. So to help you one more time, so this is our PWM, which is connected with this 30A ESC, yellow one. And then this one is coming to connect over here to the GND. And then the other GND of ESP32 is connecting over here. The idea is all the GND, they have to go together, okay? So that's the basic idea. And now, then I'm going to take this 30A ESC, sorry, and then connect over here one by one. Now in our last tutorial, we have seen how to do that. So over here, the middle one goes with the middle one. And then this one, the red one, I'm going to connect to the right side. And the black one, I'm going to connect over here. Okay. And after that, I'm going to open up my computer because I have the code. I have to make sure that we are connecting correctly so that our computer connects. And then over here, so here we have this piece of code. So this code is very simple. You can find it from the link below. So this is a code that actually controls our motor. So I'm not going to explain this code, but you will find it in the description section. It's very simple. So now what I'm going to do over here, this battery, this one, I'm going to connect over here, this power, okay? All right. So make sure that you connect it correctly. So now the code is already uploaded. Now very soon we're gonna see the motor is running. Now it's doing a beep, beep, beep. Now the last step, I'm going to connect this, our ESP32 with the computer and upload the code. But actually in this ESP, I have already uploaded the code, so it's not a big of a deal. As soon as I connect, we'll see that it's gonna run, okay? So as you can see that the motor is running. Now it's gonna slow down. It will have 2 seconds off. And now it's gonna run it, its full power. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you.